Hello everyone. I'm going to walk you through how we can create reviews for fact finds and how we can easily compare the data between any review period. So here we are, we're in the client's page and we're looking at John Smith. Let's open up his fact find and take a look. Okay, so here we are, we're logged in as admin, which is why we see this fact find status section. And you'll notice that if we go to reviews now, it's going to say you can only schedule a review once the fact find has been finalized. And we can see that the person has not yet viewed the fact find. We are logged in as admin, which is why it will remain not viewed by them. But because us and the client can help fill out this form, this will make it easy for me to show you. So what needs to happen is the fact find needs to be signed. Once it's signed, they're going to get an email saying, hey, thanks for signing the fact find. We are reviewing your information. You can then come in, make sure all the data is correct. And once you're happy with it, you finalize it. The administrator will finalize the fact find. And once they do, they're going to get an email with the fact find and the FSG. And it's at that moment that we can create a review. So let's just quickly look at some of these steps here. If we go to employment, we can see some employment details, full-time IT support, right? Makes 120 grand. And if we go into assets and liabilities, they've got a property in the CBD. All right, let's come down to declaration and sign this. Yes. Okay. Now that it's been signed, right, I'm able to mark it as finalized. Okay, so it's been signed. It shows you exactly when it was signed. They've received an email, but they have not received a copy of the fact find yet. Now you're going to go through it as admin, make sure everything's good. And once you're happy with it, you can mark it as finalized. When you mark something as finalized, the fact find form becomes locked, meaning that it cannot be edited again. The only way to change data is to create a review and then change the data that way. So it's very safe. Essentially, what it means is once you click this button and they get an email with a copy of this fact find, you can't make changes to the fact find, which is exactly what we want. So we're going to mark it as finalized. There we go. And now that it's marked as finalized, when I come to reviews, I can create one. So let's go ahead and create a review. We're going to make a review for this time next year. Okay, hang on. 12th of the 5th, sure. And we're going to save the review. Great. Here we are. We have the review now. It's been created. If we click on the review link, it's going to take us to the review of the fact find review for May 12th. So now the client would come in here, just as it's the exact same form. They would come in here just like they did before. And now let's just change some employment details, right? Let's say they're not employed at Now IT, they're at Better IT, and their salary's gone to 145,000. Okay. And now let's go into assets and liabilities. And we're going to ask them, hey, how's this property doing? All their mortgage balances down. Let's say it's 550. They've done really well. They've managed to pay it off, right? And the value's gone up to 890. Okay. Okay, so now we've made some changes. We've changed the assets and we've changed employment. If we now go back to the original fact find and click on reviews, compare, we're going to select the original and we're going to select the review and we're going to click compare. And there it is. Very, very easy. That's it. It's going to tell us that the gross income has changed, that the net income has changed, that the employer has changed, and the exact changes in property assets. This goes for any single input field, and this is how easy it is. It takes 2 seconds, 2 clicks, and you're done. You can create as many reviews as you want. You can create review on review on review, and you can compare all of them with these drop-down tabs. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.